What up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Alright, so it's a beautiful Sunday morning, and I am all dressed, set, and ready to go to church. In fact, to worship Almighty God today. Like, I am pretty early today. It's just 8:30 something or thereabout. But I don't want to stand here and vlog for the time to go. Like, I'm super excited that at least I've been able to finish on time. I woke up the usual normal time I actually used to wake up, which is 7, and the most important thing is that I got ready on time and I am heading to church on time. It's super exciting because it's been so freaking long. Actually went to church on time. Let me put this stuff in the boots. I'll be back. Alright, I'm actually waiting for Alfred. Yeah, so Alfred is back though. He's back. Alright, so we're all set. Alright, the thing is anyway guys, so what I was saying that the thing is that I'm a kind of person that's love yielding to advice. Alright, so I've received about 2 comments. Good morning. Good morning. On my vlog, saying that my vlog is kind of boring and all of that. So what I did is that I actually went on YouTube, YouTube free music, to just download some free music and some very interesting one. Yeah, and very nice bubbling kind of music on YouTube, which is actually free, copyrighted free because of obviously I don't want to copyright them, so I can put it at the background of my vlog and at interval make some split screen, some transitions and all of that, so the vlog can be interesting and captivating. Just like I've seen some vlog which I was like, oh, it's kind of nice and all of that. So that was actually what I did. And yesterday when I posted the vlog that I did, I applied some of those music, and you guys were saying it's actually nice. It's actually a nice vlog, and it's also entertaining, and I was super duper fulfilled. Alright, so most of the time when I get some comments like that, I actually don't look at it at the hate side of it. I actually look at it at the challenging aspect of it, and making sure that I make do and use of that comment. Even if I get an 8 comments, I personally don't take it as an 8 comments. I actually take it as a way to better my video and to better my life and to keep me strong, to keep me shield, because some of those comments may be very, very depressing, but I have developed a thick skin to any depressing comments, honestly. So, and I kind of make it a way that it shouldn't be depressing anymore, but it should be the one that should inspire me. Alright, so that's just basically what I do, and just the me in me. Okay, so that's it guys, and heading to church. And okay, it's been so long after this back. Alright, he used to be a very stubborn boy, but now it's not. So say hello.
Hello, good morning.
Alright, so we're heading to church just like I told you guys. So let me show you where I'm going. us, the church. It was an uplifting Sunday. It was a Sunday that was it's always filled with the Spirit of God. And the talk, the music, and everything that was said was just so encouraging. And anyway, today they talked about modest dressing to suit every father, and also you like play, and also to suit her body, because it's been said that our body is a temple of our Heavenly Father, and that we should dress well. I'm actually looking at my car. The glasses were down. I didn't notice that. Over just now. Alright guys, so we actually want to do some dancing lesson, because we have an activity, like a worldwide women activity that would be done at say, I'm sure going to be vlogging that day, because it's going to be like every unit is just going to dance different cultural dance, and it's going to be very fun. So let me join them for the practice. They're actually waiting for me to come, so we're going to be chatting. What up guys, good afternoon, no, good evening guys. Alright, so the thing is that I'm kind of like, bubbling and happy. I'm actually, okay, hold on. I came back from church, I ate, I took a nap, I, stream. You guys would probably see that on my beauty channel. Alright, so check that out. And now I am all dressed up, like in a different attire compared to what I wore to church. I am going out for a birthday party. I am super duper happy, because I just love to leave the house anyways, because honestly sometimes staying inside, especially when it's weekend like this, can be very boring, except when I have a lot of work and a lot of work that I have to do, that I must do before leaving the house. That is when I'll be like, okay, I'm not going nowhere, I don't want to go nowhere, I just want to be indoor, I just want to work and all of that. But for now I don't have so much work. I do have, like, I still have plenty of emails I have actually not responded to. Okay, so I need to respond to those emails via my website and all of that. So having said that, I'm going out for my friend's birthday party, and I am taking you guys with me, most definitely. So come, let's go. Anyway, let's leave the next talk for the occasion, but for now, let's go baby boy, let's go baby girl. Alright, so as I'm turning this camera around you, the next thing is, I don't know where. Maybe it might be inside the car, or it might be at the events venue. Alright, so let's do that together. Guys, so I'm here at the event. So anyway, you guys have seen the cake already, so we're waiting for the event to kick up, and there are some beautiful African princess here and queen, because some are married obviously. How are you, baby? You want to say hi? You want to say happy birthday to your auntie? He's tired of dancing.
Which housemates have made the greatest
show you them one by one.
I'm here in the house. Which housemates or housemates?
Hello, happy birthday fashionista and mommy bride. I wish you all the best.
Mommy bride, I would say...
I know mommy bride. She has the best body cream you can ever think of. Just holla at her.
Okay, combine her hair. Turn back. Turn behind. She look awesome. So happy birthday to you, right?
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday to you.
to sweet and set with the mantra.
Okay, so she's the birthday girl. We have 2 birthday cakes, so we have 2 birthday individuals. So do you want to say anything?
Hello. Hello.
My fellow housemates.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.